Good morning!
Good morning!
Today we have the car as well, as I told you yesterday, and we drove to Hunua Falls.
Yes.
And we're gonna check the falls out, see if it's cool. Our plan was to go to Goat Island, but it said on Google Maps that like it was closed or something.
Today. Which
Yeah.
we don't know why, because it's a park, but
Yeah,
it said on Google Maps that it was closed and we're not risking it.
exactly. It's a big risk to take. So we went to Hunua Falls. I got some sleep in the car. Hjalmar drove, and we're here,
Alive.
alive. It's raining.
Yeah, it's not very good weather today.
No.
We are ready though, because we got raincoats with us.
Yeah.
So we are prepared for this.
Prepared. So let's go to the falls.
Peace out.
The general warnings for Hunua Falls: swimming not advised, slippery rocks, you can slip on the rocks, sudden drop-offs,
Shit, jag ramlar.
deep water, shallow water. What should we go for? It's a fresh water which makes it hard to float. You can't float, mate.
Yeah, mate. Can't float anyway.
So we're back in the car. We were at the falls. It was nice. And what's the plan now?
I think we're heading back to Auckland.
Yeah.
Stopping by a grocery store and because we need to buy some stuff.
I guess we're gonna make some food and so we can have the food a little bit when we start on the trip. Or we're going to Hahe.
Yeah.
And then we have food there, so we don't have to make food or buy food there really. It's just
Plus we need to hand in the car again.
yeah.
It's not ours forever. We only had it for one day. It's been a very good car.
Yep.
It's been doing its job.
Yep. Little Jack.
Yeah.
He's a nice one.
Jack the Ripper.
So yep, we're heading back. Yeah, the falls was cool. Stealing.
Fett lagt den bilen.
So we're in the car still. We're gonna buy food at Countdown, which is just here, but we're tired. So we just dropped the car off. Now we're gonna walk home to the Oslo and make some food, some pasta pesto with asparagus and shit. We're walking through a park in the middle of the city.
Super cool park.
Yeah, actually really cool. This was nice.
Look at that one. I'll have to crawl.
We will see. We'll probably go up in the Sky Tower today as well. Yeah, now we'll have to crawl here, so just hold on a second. Oh! Made it.
Made it.
Yep. So, I'll see you later.